Go back to play, you can do it!
This year, I really enjoyed the hairspray. We made it longer, and it was really difficult, but it was a lot of fun.
Hey, Dirt Bike Wars 2017, what was your favorite part?
I like the hair scramble the best. It was really hard, and I really liked it. First, I didn't think I would be able to do well, but hung on, did okay.
want to go forward?
Everybody, on wheels!
Daddy's been on the bike.
Everyone, Daddy, down
So what do you think of the kids this year doing the trials course back in the woods?
Oh,
That was great.
That was good. I really like that. I like the kids.
Go.
I think that's the future. So I enjoy them participating as much as they do.
Good job. That's it. Use your feet to help. And give it all the gas you can. Yep, floor. Floor, Jimmy. Go, go, go.
There you go, there you go. Good job. Good job.
Good job, girls.
Well, this year I really didn't like the hill climb, only because I did poorly. So I hope to have a new tire for next year.
Go, Blueberry, you can do it! Blueberry. Blueberry is down! And squished.
All right, so
I've seen him.
what did you guys think of Dirt Bike Wars this year? What was your favorite part?
I'm going through the trials course.
Going through the trials course?
Tricks, definitely.
Tricks? Maddie, how about you? What was your favorite part?
Doing the jump.
I have to say, me and the rest of the grown-ups were really, really impressed with how well you guys did the trials course. Maddie, you've never been in the woods before, but you were still able to do the creek crossing on both sides. You did really well. And Henry, you did the most laps. And Jimmy even did the special part of the grown-up trials course, a log bridge that they built that went across the creek. And he ran his bike until his battery ran dead. So we are really, really impressed with you guys. So we've got a little something special for you. Stay where you are.
These are special Dirt Bike Wars glasses just for this year, and if you notice, they say winner on them. So here you guys go. Excellent work.
We think all you guys should be winners this year because you did so well on the trials course. So good job.